everybody, Namaste and Assalamu alaikum people. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. Guys, welcome to the session, and now that your term 2 has already begun, so here I am with some tips and tricks which will actually help you to ace your term 2 like a pro. So if you're really excited to understand how to actually plan your studies, like hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and stay with me right till the end of this video. Okay, trust me guys, you are going to get super benefited after attending this session. Okay, so here we go. So the very first thing is you should have a foolproof study plan, and that should be a consistent plan which you should be repeating it following each day, okay, or week over week. So the very first thing, before even beginning with any chapter, rather, like your term 2 has just started and your schools might be starting up with some chapters, right, for every subject. Now you have to do certain homework, and that homework is to preview the content. Open your textbook, just skim through the pages, highlight some important keywords, some words which are familiar, some words which may not be familiar. You can like Google up the meaning of certain words. If you don't know anything, it's absolutely fine. Make a note of it, paste sticky notes over there, and ensure that you ask questions pertaining to these doubts, to this unknown terminologies to your teacher in the next class. So, being prepared beforehand actually helps you to understand the concepts in a better way in an ongoing class. Okay, so now the second thing is, in order to get your doubts clarified or in order to get familiarized with the alien terms, you have to attend the session which your school teacher or the teacher in your coaching classes might be like catering to. Okay, don't be a passive listener, be an active participant in the class. Listen to what the teacher says, ask questions, seek answers, try to gather information which may not be present in the textbook. There are certain text segments in your textbook. Do you know? Can you recall? Can you tell? Try to find answer to those questions as well. If you don't know, ask it to your teacher. There are some things which you need to surf on the internet. Go ahead and do that. But ensure that you are an active participant in the class, outside of the class, before the class, after the class, and while the class is going on. Make your own notes. At least I have a strong habit of taking or making my own notes. This actually helps us to understand the concepts in a better way. Now you would be saying, "Ki ma'am, nowadays the PDF of the session is available just a single click away." That's good. That's a backup plan. But when you write, when you scribble something in your own handwriting, you tend to retain that for a longer period of time. You tend to understand your own writing in a better way rather than interpreting someone else's handwriting, right? So make sure that you are taking running notes. Okay, then science says whatever you attend, और जितने भी ड्यूरेशन का सेशन आप अटेंड करते हो, you are able to retain only barely, like if you attend a session for 1 hour, you are able to retain the content of only 5 minutes. Remaining 55 minutes gone. So guys, in order to recollect the remaining content, you need to revise. You need to review the content. You need to review the concepts which were studied by you. Maybe prior to the session or maybe when you attended the session. And this should be done ASAP because it is like registering in your mind. Okay. So within 24 hours, review the notes, review the textbook so that if something was missed, you get to identify those gaps. If there are certain questions still which are unanswered, you can take a follow up with your teacher, or maybe you can search in the notes to find the answer for those questions. Next comes the actual study. Now, when I say the actual study, here I would like actually would like to tell you like first make sure that you are making notes, or even if you are using some notes, okay, hit on the objective questions first, followed by the subjective ones. Ensure that you're focusing on diagrams, okay. You practice everything. Plan some sessions, intense study sessions, like maybe one day one entire chapter, or maybe 1 hour dedicated for that subject every day, dedicated time slots. Chalk out your timetable and ensure that you're following it, okay. So study, because without studying you're not going to gain anything. Then you studied, but how much are you able to retain? How much are you able to retain? That can be only gauged when you keep on checking it timely. Take mock test, solve any random school paper, maybe test paper, or maybe an assignment, or anything, the material that you have. Just check, am I done with everything? Is there anything pending? Is there anything remaining? Am I able to answer everything? Or do you need some help? Do you need some any study material or reference material? Check. So this is basically the study cycle plan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I use it. Okay, even before having this cycle with me, I followed it religiously when I was a school going child. But right now, even I am pursuing my master's in education, and still I follow the same pattern. So if this works for me, it would definitely work for you. Now, when you're taking notes, please maintain it in a neat and tidy manner. Don't make it too clumsy. When you're actually going through the notes again, it should be fruitful. It should not be like you scribbled something and it's like a total waste now. No. So make sure that the notes are quality notes. Review the class material. Every day you have a study plan. Every day you have certain notes or material to read, to go through. Ensure that you're doing so. Okay. Focus on the topics which don't interest you, or which you tend to ignore, which you don't focus upon. Like I used to ignore physics, and till now, physics is like altogetherly an alien subject for me. So, like, have a balanced focus on all these subjects. Focus especially on the topics that you don't know, okay, because they are the monsters which are going to eat away your marks. So, focus on these topics. Take practice tests. Practice makes a man perfect. My students too. So, guys, practice mock test, assignments, go to the library, get some previous year papers, solve them. It really, really helps. Write key concepts in your own words. I told you. Writing down in your own words is very important. For like me, if you ask, I usually make some flow charts. Okay. For example, I read an answer. Maybe it's like circulation of blood in heart. So I will just scribble the answer, okay, in the form of flowchart, like superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, okay, pulmonary artery. I will just make a flowchart. This helps me to retain the information, and not just for heart and not just for biology, for any subject. I make sure that I am writing it. Like 2 days or 3 days before an examination, I may end up utilizing entire 200 pages full scape wala long book completely, entirely. It's all filled with notes, handwritten notes, my notes. Okay, so yeah, make your own notes, form some study groups. Till date, I follow this religiously. Whether it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon or 1 p.m. at midnight, sorry, 1 a.m. At midnight or 1 p.m. in the afternoon, okay, I ensure that I form groups and I study. We can't catch up physically amidst this lockdown, right? So I ensure calling up my classmates, and we study together. This really helps. Good night sleep is very, very important. Now, some people are night owls like me, and some people are willing to wake up early and focus and concentrate. So, if you are a night owl like me, have ample of rest in the afternoon, or if you are like able to wake up early, go to the bed early at night. Okay, so basically 6 6 to 8 hours of sleep is what we require. Okay, do that. Eat healthy. We are what we eat. So have balanced diet, homemade meals, colorful meals, eat healthy, eat fresh, because one day prior to examination if you fall sick, it's like terrible and a nightmare. Read positive affirmations, keep on telling yourself, I will do it, I can do it, and I am going to do it. I can make things possible. I I will definitely achieve my goal. Keep on reminding yourself, then your mind will ask you, how am I going to do that? And you will have the solutions to it. Unless and until you remind yourself, nothing is going to work. And try out this plan, guys. It absolutely works for me. If it works for you as well, do let me know in the comment section below. You can reach out to me on my mail address. And if you wish to enroll with Vedantu, because we have some super amazing teachers from across the country, we have study materials, assignments, test series, planned everything for you all. We have a study plan, we have a revision plan, we have fabulous quizzes in these sessions, we have master teacher, we have class teacher who resolves your query. We have everything in place. It's like a one-stop solution for all your academic needs. If you wish to enroll, the link has been given in the description box, which has also been pinned in the comment section. And if you apply my coupon code, that is MAKPRO, MACPRO, you avail 10% additional discount. So guys, grab your seats now, and I hope you enjoyed the session, you found this useful, and if yes, like, share, subscribe, post me here, get back to me on my mail address or through the comment section, and let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milo Wapis, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye. Take care.